Hello everybody, how are you doing? Today I am excited. I got up on the right side of the bed, full of energy, made amazing connections this morning, and I had a dance with someone on the other side of the world. Life is good. How do you start your day? What gets you excited? What gets you motivated? Some of you watch the TV and look at the weather that's approaching. Others watch the news to see what's going on, getting your program fixed. But I start my day and I make every effort to get up, get my Cinderella chores done, my family out of the house, and what do? Put on music because I love to dance. I love music. I love rhythm. It's the blood in my veins that gets me going. What's your favorite song? I had a connection with somebody and it was amazing. I never met this person before. This morning we had a coffee meet and greet, breakfast meet and greet virtually, and I danced. It got my frequency, my emotions, my energy level skyrocketing. Now, you know out there's some of you that are the Barry Manilow type. Others of you are the Pitbull type. Some of you are the Eminem type. Others of you are, let's see, Foo Fighters or Metallica type. Regardless of what you listen to, you resonated with it and you connected with it. It brought you to a space, a headspace, a place that of emotion, good, bad, or indifferent. One of my most memorable songs that recently got introduced into my life was by Emil Sade. Pardon me if I'm pronouncing it incorrectly, and read all about it. It's a ballad. It's powerful, it's emotional. But whenever I hear Latin music, reggaeton, or for those Southerners out there, go-go music, I can't do anything but dance. I love it. I love it. You hear it all the time. I love to dance. I love to be on the floor. That's when I'm most free, most relaxed, and in my zone. So my challenge to you, go to that radio. Nowadays, I believe it's Spotify, Apple Music. If you're old school, a cassette player. If you're even more old school, a record player, vinyl. I know they're bringing that back. And if you're in between, your iPad or iPod nowadays, I don't know what these kids have, but you have access to electronics. So get that vibration going. Get that momentum going. What do they have in the doctor's office? Some of them have the news, which is concerning, but others have that melodious office music, the light beat, bossa, or samba music, instrumental. And then you have other places, you know where I'm going, that of Disney World, where it's all amazing, upbeat, animated music that everybody can connect to and has a memory of some sort. So I ask you, and I've done a video of this before, what is your playlist in life? This is inspired by a dear, beautiful soul and spirit, Miss Sanette, who I'm connected with this morning. What is your playlist like? Comment down below and let me know. And I would love for that to be the soundtrack of your life. Because when you have those beats in your subconscious and the rhythm in your soul, the lyrics that connect with you in your spirit and heart, that what makes you come alive. Whether it's healing through crying, shouting of rage, or just moving your feet and body to the rhythm. I welcome you and I ask you, are you ready to dance? Check out today's video. Thank you so much Check out andreamasons.com to learn more about me, and I look forward to connecting with you. And remember, where there's an emotion, there's a song. Where there's a song, there's a soundtrack. Where there's a soundtrack, there's a playlist. Create your playlist today and feel free to share with me. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. My name is Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach, global voice under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown, bringing you daily content today as the savvy planes just fly over every time, reminding you have a choice, privilege, free will, and honor to press play in this crazy game of life. Plan life according to you. Connect with me and I'll ready to dance, and see you soon.